What is up, you guys? We are back out again on another adventure, and if you guys saw the thumbnail or if you saw the title, you know exactly what we are after today. Today we are on a very specific mission, and that mission is to photograph and record an American woodcock here in the Corrales Bosque. This little guy has been spotted, or was originally spotted here in the Corrales Bosque. I think it was right before Christmas, and apparently he has stayed here in this kind of quarter-mile stretch along this irrigation ditch for the past week. So right here, right in front of me, is an irrigation ditch, and it runs parallel to the Rio Grande River, basically all the way through our city, you guys, all the way through Corrales, all the way through Albuquerque. These little clear freshwater ditches run parallel to the river, and they provide some amazing habitat for birds and all kinds of wildlife. So our goal today is basically to walk this ditch, and there is a ton of people out here actually walking this ditch right now, and see if we can't find him. It's a very rare bird, so it's something that I'm very eager to see, and this is a part of Corrales that I haven't really explored much. I actually explore way farther north in the videos that you guys see me do, so coming a little bit farther down south is going to be really cool for me because it's a new experience in a place that I really don't walk or bird or do wildlife photography that frequently. So we're gonna get started, and we'll see if we can't find this little guy today and get some great photos. All right. One thing I'm noticing right away, just as I'm walking this irrigation ditch, you guys, is the sheer amount of bird song that I'm hearing is quite staggering compared to the areas I'm used to being in. And it makes me feel like I've been traveling to the wrong side of Corrales for a long time, because the amount of people here and the amount of bird song that I'm hearing in the bushes is telling me that this is going to be a great area to shoot some wildlife and some birds from here on out. So we're going to keep walking down the ditch. I think it's going to be a little bit of a ways before we get to where we're supposed to be, so I'll keep you guys posted. Well, I think we definitely found the spot, you guys. Looking up, there's a group of probably 15 people with high-powered cameras, so I'm assuming they're here for the same reason. We're gonna walk up and see if anybody's seen the little guy today. Hopefully somebody has, because the first person I talked to when I got here said that it hadn't been seen in 2 days. So I guess we're gonna see what our luck is today. Hopefully it's out and about. Well, I am absolutely blown away, you guys. I apologize for not hopping on and talking a little bit sooner, but I basically got on site to where I knew the woodcock would be because, like I said, we came around the corner and there was a massive group of people with huge telephoto lenses, binoculars. We knew we were in the right area basically because we knew we were around the right people, and we did not see the woodcock out the gate, unfortunately. But what we did see was a huge just cluster of birds that we have never really like gotten good photos or good video of. And among those was two rare birds, and that was the Virginia rail and the brown thrasher, both absolutely gorgeous birds that we've never even photographed before. So it was a amazing experience, and it was one of those experiences where it's just like so much is going on that like you almost forget to record, you almost forget to like to take photos because you're just like lost in the moment, enjoying the experience. And that's how it was. I met some truly amazing people over the last couple of hours and was able to do some awesome birding and some awesome wildlife photography with them. So absolutely incredible past 4 hours. I think we're going to continue walking down. We've talked to quite a few people that have been coming the last few days, and the word is so far that the woodcock has not been seen for the past 48 hours, which is not what we wanted to hear, obviously, but as an amazing consolation prize, we were able to photograph some birds that are practically just as rare here in New Mexico and are definitely rare to us and definitely new lifers to us. So for me, that is an amazing victory for the day, because we came out to an area that we weren't really aware of. We weren't really expecting anything. You know, you come out and some days you have amazing days, some days are very difficult. So we kind of came in with no expectations at all, and we were rewarded with an amazing day and some time spent with some amazing people. So that's all I can really ask for anytime I come out. So we're gonna keep walking down this ditch and see what else it has to offer for us. So we have about another mile to go, and then we'll be hitting the car again. So I'll be right back. What is up, you guys? We are, as you can tell, no longer in the Corrales Bosque. We finished up filming out there, and I just wanted to be sure that I knew every single species and had all my information straight before I concluded this video. And today, you guys, we got 9 new birds for our 2021 bird quest. That is absolutely amazing. We did not see that woodcock that we were after, but we got some amazing birds. 2 birds, in fact, that I've never photographed, never even seen before. So that is an amazing victory for me today. So I just wanted to say, as always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, consider liking, commenting, subscribing. If you're not a subscriber, this channel is all about wildlife photography and sharing the beauty of my home state here in New Mexico with others. So if you guys enjoy the content, consider subscribing. Doing that really helps the channel and allows me to share all this passion that I have with people all across the globe. So without further ado, you guys, here is those birds that we got today. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one.